Hi, it's Sam from Reno Trades and welcome to Project Kumala. We completed this renovation in 2 stages. We renovated a bathroom, a kitchen, an entry and a lounge room.
Hi, I'm Jason. We got Reno Trades to do a major renovation in our current property. The experience we had was phenomenal. They come and did everything for us. It was set through on the time frame set out, and we found the communication was excellent. The main reason we chose Reno Trades was basically that they come in and they change what we thought we could do, and they change it to a better scope of what we wanted. I would look at who you're personally with. They come in, showed empathy of what we wanted, gave us good advice. The feedback we got is phenomenal. Our friends and family come, we enjoy every aspect of what they've done. My daughter absolutely loves her bathroom and she thinks it was unbelievable. We would recommend it, Reno Trades, to anyone that we know that's renovating.